All about bananas, the energy fruit. Bananas are one of the most widely eaten fruits in the world. They are sweet, soft, and packed with nutrients. But did you know that bananas are actually classified as berries? Yes, unlike trees. Bananas grow on large plants that look like trees but are actually herbs. Scientific name, Musa. Family, Musaceae. Native to Southeast Asia, India, Malaysia, and the Philippines. Grown in India, Brazil, Ecuador, the Philippines, and many other tropical countries. Types of bananas. There are over 1,000 banana varieties, but here are some famous ones. Cavendish banana, the most common, sweet and yellow. Red banana, sweeter and has a reddish peel. Plantain, bigger, less sweet, used for cooking. Blue Java, ice cream banana. Tastes like vanilla ice cream. Burro banana, shorter and tangy in flavor. Nutritional value of bananas, per 100 gram. Calories, 89 kilocalories. Carbohydrates, 22.8 gram. Great for instant energy. Fiber, 2.6 gram. Good for digestion. Vitamin C, 8.7 milligram. Boosts immunity. Potassium, 358 milligram. Great for the heart and muscles. Water content, 74%. Health benefits of bananas. 1. Instant energy booster. Perfect for athletes and kids. 2. Good for digestion. High in fiber. Prevents constipation. 3. Strengthens bones. Rich in potassium and magnesium. 4. Improves heart health. Regulates blood pressure. 5. Supports weight loss. Keeps you full for longer. 6. Boosts mood. Contains serotonin for happiness. Smiling face with smiling eyes. Fun facts about bananas. Bananas are botanical berries, but strawberries aren't. The banana plant is the largest herb in the world. Bananas were first cultivated over 7,000 years ago. Monkeys peel bananas from the bottom, not the top. India is the largest producer of bananas in the world. How bananas grow. 1. Banana plants grow from a bulb, not a seed. 2. It takes 9 to 12 months for bananas to fully grow. 3. Bananas grow in bunches, also called hands. 4. When ripe, they turn from green to yellow. Uses of bananas. Eaten fresh. Peel and enjoy. Banana smoothies, creamy and delicious. Banana chips, crunchy and tasty. Banana bread, a yummy dessert. Plantain dishes, used in cooking and frying. Conclusion, bananas are not just tasty, but also super nutritious. So next time you eat a banana, remember all the amazing benefits it gives you.